We recently completed the on-site installation of a 12,000 watts laser cutting machine for our customer. Now, let's hear what they have to say about the experience.
Morn Laser has been more than helpful with the setup of this machine. The machine works wonderfully. I'd like to take a moment to sincerely thank Morn Laser. They've been more than helpful with the purchase and setup of our new machine. Their team responded quickly to our needs and completed the installation efficiently. A special thanks to Leon, who went above and beyond by walking us through the operation, answering all our questions, and making sure we understood the maintenance requirements. Your professionalism and support have been truly appreciated. Thank you for everything.
High cutting speed, stable performance, intelligent control, and minimal maintenance. This high-power laser cutting machine is built for efficiency and long-term reliability.